Hi everyone, this is Emmy. I posted a new pattern on my blog for a knitted sweater, and it's a T style where you knit it from the top down. It's easy enough for beginners. I used Barcelona yarn. You could substitute that for any worsted weight yarn. And for the detailed sections, I used Lion Brand, that's 70s yarn. You could use fun yarn or any type of furry or fibrous yarn. And you get a lot of detail without any extra work just by inserting one row every 10 rows. You make 2 sections and then you join them at the shoulders and the underarms and side seams. So that's it. You can go to my blog and there's the pattern in all sizes from extra small all the way up to 5XL. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.